We'll guide you through how to add clickable links to your YouTube video description. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on YouTube, and so you want to go and add a clickable link to one of your YouTube videos. This is really convenient to do, as perhaps you want to go and link a social media, your website, or something else. And you may be finding that you're trying to go and add it and it's not clickable. This can be really inconvenient for people trying to go and click on it, because it means they then have to go and manually type it in, or maybe go and copy and paste it. So it makes it much easier for the person who wants to go and use the link for it to go and be properly set up so it's clickable. We're going to guide you through how you can go about this. So for example, here I've got a video I want to go and add the link to into the description. Let's go and get right into this. So what you need to do is you need to go and make sure that you've got the link you want to do this with. You may already know it in your head. If you do, that's fine. Otherwise, you want to go and copy it. So for example, you could go and type in the website you want to go and get it from. So in this case, let's say I want to grab my Instagram. I could go and type in GuideRealm Instagram, as I have been here before. So you want to come to the exact page you want to do this with. Then you can come to the address bar and you want to go and click on it. And you want to go and highlight it, and you can right click it and press copy. As I said, alternatively, you can manually type it in if you know it. Now on YouTube, you need to go and head to your YouTube studio. So go to the top right and press your profile icon. Switch can if needed, and you can go down the list and press YouTube Studio like this. Wait for it to load. And then what you need to do is come over to the left, and we need to go and find the video you want to do this with. If you've got a lot and it's an older video, what you can do is always go and search at the top for it. In this case, I can go and scroll down and go and find it. So the video I want to do this with is this video here called First Video. So what we can then do is go and click on it like so. Wait for it to load. And then what you can do is you can come into the description. Let's click, and I'll just go and press the enter button a few times to create a new line. So if you go and type in it like this, for example, google.com, that is why. So to go and properly go and make it clickable, what you need to do is go and type in https://. Then you can go and type in www.google.com, or in some cases, you can just go and type in google.com like so. Alternatively, you can just go and paste in the link you went and copied. So I could right click and press paste, and there it is. We'll then press save in the top right. And then what we can do is go and click on the video view on YouTube, and it'll take us to the video. And if I scroll down and expand the description, you can then go and see both these links are clickable. It's that simple. If you found this useful and you want to see more, then consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to helping you again in the future with more useful how-tos like this. Have a great day. Goodbye for now.